Hi, today we're going to have a go at making a seed snail. So this is a new idea, rolling up compost in a foam or in a cardboard tube and then letting your seeds germinate just to be able to roll it out when they're all germinated. So let me show you how we're going to make ours. So we've got our lengths, we've got cardboard, we've got some foam, and we've got an old compost bag. So what we do, we lay our snail down and we cover with compost, a thin level layer of compost. All the way along. And then what we do, we fold the compost around, making our snail. Once we've laid our so we've added our compost onto our snails. I'm just going to give it a little water just to make it a bit more damper, and then we're just going to roll up our seed snail. I'm just going to add some more. I'm just going to leave the end clear. Give it a drop more water. And there we go. And then the last bit, I'm just going to attach to the end. And then we're going to get our tape. And we're just going to tape the snail from opening up. Using my daughter's Wazzy tape because she's asleep and I can't get my sellotape. So there we go. So that's the cardboard snail. We can do with our compost bag. So we're going to try another one using the foam, but I would ideally like a thinner foam. You can get a really thin foam, that would be really good, especially for like packing foam. It comes with like TVs and things like that, that would be ideal. So I'm just doing the same, pressing the compost down. Going to give it a drop of water just to keep it a bit moist, and then I'm going to roll the foam. This one's a bit thicker, it's a bit too thick really, but we're going to go with what we got. This was just packaging. Looks like a Swiss roll. And then the last bit we're just going to leave off. And this one I'm going to use some cable ties just to stop this from springing open. I'm just going to fix it with a cable tie. And there we go. So here we have our 3 versions of our seed snail. So the cardboard, the compost bag and the foam. I've done a zip tie around the foam. I used tape around the cardboard and around the pot. So once we've got our pots, our seed snails, I'm just going to place them into our tray. And we can see now also how much space this is giving us. Just 3 seed snails in one pot. And then we're going to take our seeds, and for this one I'm going to do sweet peas. And I'm just going to place the sweet peas around the snail. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've got 15 seeds in that one little snail. I'm just going to top it up with a bit of compost. And that's our seeds now planted. We need a label so we don't forget what they are. But if you had 15 pots with 1 seed in, it's going to take quite a bit of space. It'll take up most of this tray. Once the seeds have germinated, then we just undo the tape, we undo the cable, and we could just roll it out in one go. So this one I'm going to do some sweet corn. Same process. And these would be great if you've got a deep like peas. They like their roots going deep. This is ideal. All the way round. And then we add our top. There we go. So I'm just going to give that a quick water. It's also be good for pumpkins or squashes to germinate. I'm going to do some pumpkins in this one. There we go. Ideal. So it'd be interesting to see which one comes out tops. So this one I'm going to be sowing our alderman peas. And we're just placing our peas around our snail. There we go. Yeah, there we are. Pressing them down a bit. One escaped. Just gently covering with some more compost. There we go. Give it a water. And the good thing with foam, you can also write on there if the pen worked. No, it's wet. So there we go. We've got our peas, our sweet peas, our pumpkins, and they're all in little nice container. So we're going to save space, save compost, and saving space at this time of year is a real bonus. So let me know in the comments, have you done seed snails, and what success have you had, and what have you used? Foam, compost, or cardboard and compost, or even a old compost bag with the compost? Let me know in the comments, and we'll come back and have a look at these once they've grown.